Did you know that there are fish that can breathe air and walk on land? You will think that these creatures only exist in a movie and Stephen King books, but here they are. Let us introduce you to Mudskipper, the master of land and sea. Oxudercine gobies, commonly known as Mudskipper, are a group of tropical and subtropical fish that call the Indo-Pacific and Western Africa their home. They can be found in various zones from shallow sublittoral, littoral, and supralittoral. These captivating fishes have a special affinity for soft-bottom habitats, especially the mesmerizing mangrove forest and the vast expanse of exposed mudflat. These habitats provide them with everything they need to survive and thrive. However, mudskippers face unique challenges as they navigate between their aquatic and terrestrial world. Imagine the difficulties of adapting to two completely different environments, but fear not, for Mudskipper are master of adaptation. Imagine being able to swim gracefully in the water one moment and then jump and walk on land the next. Mudskipper have developed special ways to adapt to both environments. They have amazing mechanical, physiological, and behavioral adaptation. As ectotherms, their body temperature is influenced by the surrounding environment. Change in temperature affects their biochemical and physiological processes. When the temperature rises, mudskippers experience an increased demand for oxygen, requiring more energy to maintain bodily function at higher temperatures. Unfortunately, global warming poses a threat to these unique species. As environmental temperatures continue to rise, they are exposed to harsh conditions nearing their upper thermal limits. Apart from using their gills, mudskippers possess a remarkable adaptation. They can absorb oxygen through their branchial and cutaneous surface. This unique feature, varying among species, enables them to employ different behavioral adaptation in response to change in tide, temperature, salinity, and light. One common behavioral adaptation is emergence. When temperature soars, mudskipper venture out the water to cool down through evaporative cooling. In a recent study of mudskipper emergence as a response to temperature, researchers sought to understand how exposure to different thermal conditions affect oxygen uptake, revert water temperature, and emergence behavior. They also aim to investigate the differences in thermal preferences between day and night periods and gain a better understanding of other behavior strategies. Mudskipper were subjected to various temperature treatment that mimic the range of ecological reference temperature found in their natural environment. The result revealed some interesting findings. The first one is oxygen uptake. Resting oxygen uptake differed among the temperature treatments, with individuals maintained at 32 degrees Celsius showing distinct difference. The second one is critical thermal emergence. Initial and final emergence temperatures varied among the temperature treatment. Fish kept at 32 degrees Celsius emerged from the water at the higher temperatures compared to those at 22 degrees Celsius. Despite continuous exposure, bird mudskipper consistently preferred approximately the same temperature, regardless of the time period, nocturnal or diurnal. However, there was a considerable variation in preferred temperatures among all experimental samples. During nighttime, mudskippers move more frequently to maintain their preferred temperatures compared to daytime hours, where they exhibited a wider temperature range. We have learned about mudskippers, a unique type of fish that can breathe air and live on land. As ectotherms, they rely on the environment for their internal temperature and metabolic processes. We have also learned about the importance of modified gills in mudskipper, which are highly vascularized respiratory organs that allow them to extract oxygen from both air and water. To cope with fluctuating temperatures, they employ a behavioral strategy called emergence. Though useful, emergence has its drawbacks, attracting predation, missing opportunities while out of water, and energy trade-offs required for movement. As we wrap up this video, we have witnessed how scientific studies unlock the mystery of nature. Global warming over the years not only has melted the ice caps in the polar regions but has also disrupted numerous habitats due to change in temperature and water availability. This study on mudskipper behavior relating to elevated temperatures has opened new doors for exploration and highlights in the importance of understanding the intricate connection between temperature and their behavior to cope with it. Thank you for joining us on this eye-opening journey exploring the connection between mudskippers and climate change. Let's us strive to protect these incredible creatures and preserve the natural wonders that make our world so ordinary.